What's going on, guys? Scotty here, doing a little golf cart repair today. We got a 36 volt EZ Go here for sale too. But what we did, instead of buying a bunch of 6 volt batteries, I installed 3 12 volt batteries to equal out 36 volt, and then I paralleled another one that I just had that's still a good battery for a little more range. But I found out that the battery charger that came with the cart was set up for 6 volt batteries. I'm new to this, got a little learning curve going on here. That charger isn't charging these batteries up correctly, and also these are AGMs. So what I'm going to do is put in a new NOCO 40 amp, and it's 10 amps to each bank, and you can select it to any battery you want. This charger will do 12 volt regular, AMG, lithiums, so this is a great charger for that. So we're going to install this charger in here, and we're going to eliminate the other charger, and it'll be an onboard charger, so you don't have to pull anything around. I'm going to mount it right there in that spot there and be done, so stay tuned. All right, so we got the charger in place, all hooked up. We're going to clean this up here, zip tie it all up to make it look nice. We got it plugged in, but we have to pick which battery we have. We have AMGs. So you're going to click this and select, and do that to all of them. Do that to all of them, and then it'll start charging. It's kind of hard to see with the light, but see red blinking, that means it's charging. We selected it all, so there we go. That's how you wire up a 36 volt golf cart with a 12 volt battery charger. Take a look. There you go.